The definition of cryptocurrency is a digital currency in which transactions are verified and records maintained by a decentralized system using cryptography rather than by a centralized authority. Huh? In under 5 minutes, I'll get you from huh to aha, clarifying crypto using plain English to answer 5 commonly asked questions. Starting with what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies that only exist online, not as physical coins or bills. They differ from traditional currencies because they are decentralized, meaning they're not controlled by a single entity like a bank or government. Cryptocurrency is named cryptocurrency because it uses cryptography to encrypt and decrypt data, which ensures transactions are secure and can't be tampered with. Next question is, are there other cryptocurrencies besides Bitcoin? Yes. Ethereum, Solana, and XRP are just a few of the thousands of cryptocurrencies, each with different features and uses. Number 3. How do you buy and sell cryptocurrency? You buy crypto on crypto-specific exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. You create an account, connect your bank or card, and choose the crypto you want. To sell, you simply trade your crypto back into regular currency, like the US dollar or euros, on the same exchange. Aside from investing, what are 5 examples of how crypto is used? First is remittances, which are cross-border money transfers. Cryptocurrency can move money globally in minutes, often with lower fees than banks. Second is some websites let you pay for goods or services using crypto. Third is crypto provides a way to donate funds quickly and directly to areas in need, which bypasses traditional banking delays. Number 4 is anyone with internet and a crypto wallet can borrow, lend, earn interest, or participate in global finance without needing a credit score, bank account, or government-issued ID. And 5th is that freelancers can accept payments in crypto, knowing transactions are fast, secure, and there are less hassles receiving payments from global clients. And the 5th and final question is, what are 3 pros and 3 cons of using cryptocurrency? 3 pros are, first, you control your money. No bank or other entity can freeze your account or limit what you send. Second, crypto often costs less to use than credit cards or wire transfers. And third, because crypto runs on something called the blockchain, it is both transparent and tamper-proof. The blockchain creates security, helping to prevent fraud and unauthorized activity. Now to 3 cons. The first is volatility, which can make crypto risky. Second is that if you lose your password or private key, your funds are likely gone for good. And third is that it's not currently widely accepted and can't be used in most stores. Want to learn more about cryptocurrency? Then continue the Triple Plays series. 1 concept, 3 ways to learn, by playing the upcoming What's Crypto Crossword Challenge, all words no cross, as well as the upcoming Crypto 3 Truths and 1 Lie. And if you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe for more learning without the lecture that enlightens, tests, and stretches your neural muscles. Until next time, nerdy and proud.